morning, everybody. This is Dr. Ryan Barron, your Western Nebraska chiropractor, located in Sydney and in Kimball. Just wanted to do our next question of the week. This question is something we get asked quite a bit. It's basically, what is that noise? What is the crack or the pop? When I get adjusted, what is that from? You know, some people can really have a hesitancy about getting adjusted because of that. It's a little bit of surprise. Sometimes it's kind of scary to think about what it could be. We're not causing any tissue damage or fractures or anything by doing that. But so I just thought I'd explain it a little bit here on a video. If you think about the spine, you've kind of got the disc in front, which is a stabilizing structure. And then behind that, you've got what are called facet joints, which are really for spine mobility. And so you got the disc for your stability, and you got your facets for your mobility. And those facet joints really are just two surfaces of articulation that come together. And they've got a capsule around them, they've got fluid in them. And so really you can think of those as like the knuckles of the spine. And what happens is when you get that, it's like a negative pressure, like a vacuum in there. And when we adjust somebody and we open that up, what happens is we're creating a negative pressure where the gas can dissolve out of the fluid. And when that gas dissolves out of that fluid, it makes that popping sound. And that's where the cavitation that we call it, that's where that comes from. And so whenever we adjust somebody and we open up the joint enough to do that, you get the cavitation. And so it's a pretty benign phenomenon, but yet if you don't really know what's going on, it can be a little bit scary. Some patients can be a little hesitant about that. But that's really what it is. And with the adjustment, you know, we're trying to find these restrictions, these fixations that aren't allowing for proper movement, proper function, proper biomechanics in the spine. And so when we adjust, and we've got to adjust through those joints, through those plane lines, in order to restore proper function, and that requires opening the joint. And so that's where you get that little cavitation from. So hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. We'd be glad to answer them for you.